Wait, am I gonna say hi? Hey!
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a very special, different vlog. Really excited to be bringing you guys on a train trip up to New York from Florida on the Amtrak. The reason for us going on the train is because we're going to be going to New York City for about a week for my mom's birthday, which is coming up, so it is a family trip. The train trip up takes about 30 hours, and so it is the overnight train. I'll get to show you guys the room while it's during the daytime, and then also once it's converted to a bedroom at night. We got 2 bedrooms. In around 25 minutes we're gonna head to the diner car to get some lunch. I'm just gonna get myself a little bit ready. I packed super last minute this morning, so I didn't even get to do my face, but yeah, I'm super excited for this vlog. Make sure you keep watching. I'll show you the whole shebang, so stay tuned. The door is jiggling, so I'm sorry. Alright, so we're en route now to New York City. We were stopped for about 2 hours because of an emergency that happened on the southbound tracks. Now we're back on the tracks and the sun's starting to go down. We just took our dinner order for later on, so I'll be taking you through a little bit of what the dinner setup looks like. I'll also make sure to talk a little bit about the pricing of the train and all of that later in the video. I'll have all the timestamps down in the description so that you can just navigate to what you want to watch. But yeah, so just gonna get a little bit of work done, edit this vlog, do my nails, and then get ready for dinner later on. So I'll see you guys then. So, quick update. We just went to get some dinner over at the dining cart and it was pretty yummy. I wasn't super hungry. I felt like I was feeling a little bit anxious, honestly, from all the movement. And they were going super fast for a while. But either way, dinner was pretty yummy. I had a little bit of wine. So, when we came back, they had actually converted the sofas into the bunk beds, as you can see behind me. I think I'm just gonna spend the rest of the evening sort of winding down, doing a little bit of self-care, putting on my PJs, getting ready for bed. So yeah, let's have ourselves a night on the train, shall we? Good morning, guys. It is the next morning. It's a little bit cloudy outside. We're actually at the Savannah station picking up a few more people. The train sort of stops and goes throughout the way. I'll show you what it looks like outside right now. So as far as sleep last night, I have to say I'm pretty surprised I even fell asleep. The train was moving like a lot throughout the night and it was going pretty fast, and like if you have motion sickness, I wouldn't really recommend this for you. I think before I fell asleep I was feeling a little bit like dizzy-ish. I am not a kind of person that gets motion sickness at all. I actually thankfully brought some earplugs, so if you are planning on doing this experience, bring some earplugs with you. But nevertheless, it was pretty relaxing when I fell asleep, I guess. Once you're already asleep, the movement felt nice, but while you're falling asleep, it's not the nicest. Anyways, breakfast is from 6:30 to 10, I believe, but I'm gonna go ahead and meet the rest of my fam over at the dining cart for breakfast, so let's go. Hey guys, we just came back from breakfast and I've been getting ready just for the day, just putting on a little bit of makeup. I changed. We're still about literally 12 hours away from New York City. We've been delayed a few times. Probably gonna make it later than we anticipated. Breakfast was really good. I wish I could have breakfast for all 3 meals of the day. Honestly, that was probably my favorite meal so far. I decided I want to go back and work in the diner cart and just get some of my editing done there. Just gonna finish getting ready and then head out there. Figured in the meantime I could talk to you a little bit about the pricing of the train, get a few questions on the TikToks that I posted on what the pricing looks like. Is it worth more than a flight? Etc, etc. So the first thing I'm gonna say is this train trip, I would say, is in itself an experience. It's not like with a flight how you're just trying to get from point A to point B. With the Amtrak, it's like literally a hotel on wheels. You don't have to stay in the bedrooms. They do have normal train seats that you can just take straight over. We decided to take the actual rooms because, again, it is for a special occasion. We wanted to make the most out of the experience. With that being said, we also booked our tickets super late. I'm talking like a few days before getting on this train. We booked the rooms, and so that definitely affected prices. I believe, so there's two different types of rooms that you can get on this train. One of them is called a roomette, and the roomette is literally just a room with like 2 couches, and then the couches transform into a bed at night. You don't get the bathroom, you don't get the sink, you don't have the bunk beds, you just have that bed. For the rooms that don't have a bathroom inside, there is a separate car where there are public sinks and toilets and showers to use, so you can still get that. I believe those can start at around $300. Again, the sooner that you book a room, the cheaper it would be. And they also, I believe, run some deals throughout the year where it's like, oh, prices as low as type of thing. So if you're on the lookout and like looking for the best days and the best packages, then you're gonna get the best price for it. The room that I'm staying at and that my family is staying at are the actual bedrooms, and as you have seen, they have bathroom in there. There's a shower in the bathroom, which I'm just not going to use because it kind of grosses me out, but there's a shower, there's a toilet in the room, there are the 2 sofas where you can sit and work. At night, these convert into bunk beds, as you saw. There's a few outlets to work, so it's like definitely like a hotel room. Like, it's really nice. These can start as low as like $500. I would say the bedrooms start as low as $500 on a really good day, but the average is probably around $700, $800. Again, if you stay on the lookout, you will find yourself a good deal. For us, we booked it super last minute, and so the price definitely reflected that. I haven't done a ton of research on this, but just from what I've seen, make sure you check out their website if you want to look at more accurate pricing, amtrak.com. And so it's been really great so far. But yeah, I'm just gonna finish up my makeup now, head over to the dining car to do a little bit of work, and then I'll touch base with you guys then.